Good morning guys. Nakapag-deliver na kami kanina sa SM. Ngayon, babalik na naman kami para mag-deliver ulit. Same place sa SM. Then yung isa sa Abrisa. Diba? Naano na namin. Yung right na lang yung kailangan.
Love the busy day.
Yes. Second round. Going to SM guys. Now with complete family. Delivery time and gala time at the same time.
Family delivery.
Family delivery. See, 11:42 na. Almost there. Let's go! Ready to go! Like a boss. Like a boss. Maui like a boss. Oh, someone's happy. Maui, you want that one? It's for girls. Oh, let's go deliver in Abrisa. Let's go, Maui. We have one more delivery. You wanna buy? Huh, Maui? Wanna buy new truck? Car shopping si Maui.
Clap, clap. Contour mo yan.
May binibili sila ate doon. Hinihintay namin. Tapos punta kami ng Abrisa. Kasi may isang delivery doon. Lahat ng delivery natin ngayon sa malls. Ryan is driving. Huh? You gonna learn how to drive now, Ryan? And Maui? ang kulit talaga. Ipag-chika si Daddy Ram sa ano, sales guy. So difficult to find parking, guys. Sunday. Happy Sunday. What is this, Daddy? Audition?
They're doing some audition or maybe their talent, showing their talent.
Is it? Tapos na kami mag-deliver. Done. Good job, Daddy. Which one? VR? Let's go find Tita. Can you see them below? Can you see our naughty boy Maui? Let me call Tita. Dito kami sa bookstore. Ikot-ikot. Hanap siya ng libro. Where's Daddy? Asa na yun si Daddy Ram? Oh. Dito din pala si Daddy Ram. Self-help. Which one? Indian author? Nahanap ako ng bookmarks para kay Ryan. Babae naman itong mga to. Ay, cute. Magnetic. It's okay?
Magnetic?
Yeah, it's a lot also. You can use. Okay? Maui? Happy na yan? Ha? I think you can put above, not under. That one, Daddy. After so long, guys, makakapag-Jollibee na ulit. Ng ating bugoy dyan. Long queue. Pinauna ang french fries. Kasi ang batang ito hindi makahintay. Have some also, Ryan. Tignan nyo siya, oh. Bumili si ate ng mochi manjo. You wanna try this one, Daddy? Just try.
Tell me first. Is it meat?
No. It's just chocolate. How is it? Good?
Kind of blunt. Can I give you? Can I give you?
Pwede siya shing, di ba? No? Later we'll see.
Angry
Yeah. I miss this. Yeah, you said blunt and then now you're saying nice, huh?
I bite that one.
You did not taste the chocolate, maybe that's why. Now you want it, huh? What is it? Shing, mo si mama shing ni mo shing. Wanna try it? Oh, you tasted the caramel, I think. Not the chocolate. This is yours, Nana. Enough reading muna. Eat first. Ryan, this is your bond paper. Okay? For your assignment, okay?
Short bond paper.
This one short and long.
It's not. Oh,
Both.
they're kind of the same size.
No, a little longer, the long one. Okay?
Yeah.
Do well.
Computer.
Almost done.
Yeah.
Gumawa ng poster na nagpapakita ng kahalagahan ng computer. Iguhit ito sa loob ng kahon. Kulayan ito upang ito'y maging kaakit-akit sa paningin. Paningin. Don't forget to put this one properly.
Yeah. Then now.
This one, Anna. Fill it up.
Computer.
Daming assignments ni Ryan, guys. Mag-weekend, ganda talaga.
I do not look good.
Actually, guys, si Ishi talaga ang nagtuturo kay Ryan ng assignments kasi umidlip kami ni Daddy Ram, maaga kaming nagising nga kasi maaga ang order kanina. So, nakatulog kami pagdating dito sa bahay. And paglabas ko, ayun, tinuturuan na niya ng assignment si Ryan kasi yung mga assignment ni Ryan nilagay ko sa kanyang iPad. Tapos sabi ko, magbasa ka muna dyan, then after na pagising ko, tuturuan kita na gawin yung assignment mo. Pero ayun, tinuruan siya ni Ishi. Ano yan si Ishi, masipag at saka matulungin. Ngayon, nagluluto siya ng kanyang snack. So, minsan, pag gusto niya ng sarili niyang snack, may mga craving siya, nagluluto yan. Hindi lang siya masyadong, guys, sanay sa harap ng camera, kaya nagtatago. Hindi niya siya masyadong nakikita kasi nga, ayaw niyang ma-expose ang kanyang, ang ganda pa naman ng mukha, pero talagang napakamahiyain. Someone is happy, guys.
I
guys.
got new Apple Watch. Ate she gave me.
May Apple Watch na silang dalawa.
I'm happy. Whenever we go for jog or walk, he's asking, Daddy, can you give me your watch? I will check my steps.
Yeah.
And now I don't need to, like, how many steps do I have today? How many steps do I have while walking? Because maybe sometimes me and Daddy have different steps, so.
Wow, seriously? Why you will have?
Oh my god. How about mommy? Huh? No, Apple
Yeah,
Watch.
you can take this one.
Guys, Ram and me is so funny. Sometimes few months Ram is using it because he have the will to use it. Sometimes I use it because Ram really don't want to charge it. So it's like laying down for a while, then I become motivated. I'm gonna use it, and after a while again,
Yeah.
the same thing.
But if you want to use it, the cost is to come with us with walking. That's the cost if you want to use
Yeah,
it.
but you know, mom have a knee problem, right? But we'll see. Okay, I will try. I'm so happy for you, Ryan. Congratulations. Nahihiya lang si Ishi, guys, sumali sa vlog at magbigay nito. Pero, bigay niya. Okay, thank you, Tito Mo, also.
Thank you, Tito Mo.
He's there. On the line. Go and tell him. He's there.
Super supportive sila sa pag-walking ni Ryan. Because they know Ryan is very determined to
That's why.
exercise, walk. They always watch the vlog, Tito Mo, so alam niya. Oh, Daddy Ram is setting it up. Then both of them will go walking now.
Guys, they started our regular walking again after 4 days. 4 days, I think Ryan is 5 days, I am 4 days. Because we got sick one by one.
Yeah.
We recovered, not fully recovered, but we wanted to start. Not much today, maybe a walk a little today, little jog. Maybe from tomorrow we'll do full swing, Ryan, okay?
Yeah, and I'm so excited to test out my new
Someone
watch.
is excited to test his watch.
Yeah.
That's one of the reason. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's go. Ryan. His boy is today exercise is less and checking watch is too much. Actually, we don't have a plan because of his watch. We decided to start today. That's why we did not even change clothes. The shirts are normal shirts, not even jogging things. Okay, happy? Tomorrow onwards we'll do a full-fledged, okay? And the watch thing, just observe only, check the steps only. Other things don't pay attention because usually I think the watch will show accurate for 18 years old and above. Maybe heart rate shows much, kids heart rate is more. Okay? Just check for our steps and calories.
Ngayon pa lang kami natapos sa mga assignment ni Ryan, guys. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Oh, ayan pa. Meron pa doon. Si Ishi naman ang nag-drawing. To the rescue na ang buong pamilya kasi nahihirapan kaming mag-drawing para kay Ryan na assignment. Wow, 8,647 steps. Congratulations. Now you can really track, huh?
Yeah.
But you really have to strap.
Yeah.
You can actually keep your workouts.
Yeah, you can on that one.
This is outdoor walk. And I also do like jogging. Jogging.
Sleeping time. Good night, guys.
Good
Night, guys.
Ayan, umaga na naman, guys. And it's Monday na. So, may pasok na si Ryan. Naliligo lang siya. So, hinihintay ko. Gumising ako around 6 o'clock. Usually. Pinaprepare ko yung breakfast ni Ryan. Then, i-get ready na siya. Mga 6:20 lang naman siya gumigising kasi before 7 o'clock yung kailangan ko siyang ihatid sa school. Monday today, so may circle sila. Ryan, come on. Are you done? Kasi pag Monday, dapat medyo earlier sila sa school. Pancake lang yung niluto ko para sa kanya, guys. Later, Nana, don't buy anything in canteen, okay? Don't buy anything in canteen. Kasi last week, medyo sumakit ang kanyang tiyan. Nagsuka. So, I want you to avoid buying stuff there, okay? Next time, we'll see. Just be better first. I put some snacks in your bag. Then you can eat that one.
Okay.
Naka-absent pa siya last week, guys. Kasi nga medyo nagkasakit. Drink Milo also. Put it here. So easier for you. And kailangan na nilang mag-uniform. Kasi regular class na sila. Sabi ng teacher nila. And I will try to buy the PE track pants today, okay?
Okay.
Hopefully your size is available. Are you okay today? Medyo late na naman natulog kagabi kasi couple of days na iba na naman yung kanyang schedule sa pagtulog. Medyo late kaya hindi nakatulog agad. Nana, do you like the Milo or not? Shall I change it? Huh?
I like it.
Kasi you're not drinking much actually. And up ako yung nakakaubos ng kanyang Milo. Favorito ko din naman yung Milo. Pero baka gusto niya ng regular milk. Tulog pa ang lahat. Si ate, si Maui. Mamaya pa yan sila gigising. Hindi siya sanay kumain ng breakfast. So, very light lang yung kanyang kinakain, guys. Sa India, actually sa school na siya kumakain ng kanyang breakfast. Got everything. Remember your assignments? Okay? Where I put it? Yeah. The bond paper area. See you later, okay? You do good. Anything, just tell mom to message me. Buti na lang, guys. At ako'y nakabili na ng uniform ni Ryan. Thank God. Naging available din ang PE uniform ni Ryan. Itong track pants. Meron na ako ng t-shirt niya. Ito na lang talaga. I think this is okay. Yung bewang ata okay lang. Ito lang kasi yung smallest size na parang sakto kay Ryan. Sabi ko medyo maliit pa nito. Sabi nila wala pa daw silang medium. Large lang ang meron sila. May matangkad naman sila yan. Pumasok na kasi sa room niya. Kaya hindi ko na-check. Almost na yun, 7 o'clock. Ando na yung prefect of discipline. So, pumasok na siya agad. Hindi masyadong guys. Masaya ang ating baby boy sa pagpasok niya sa school today. Past couple of weeks, medyo pa siya excited. Pero siguro ngayon nagsisink in na sa kanya na kailangan ko na talagang pumasok every weekday sa school. So, medyo nawawala na ang kanyang excitement. Lalo na nandito ang kanyang Ate Ishi. Gusto niyang makipaglaro sa kanya lagi. Kaya, ganyan ang kanyang feeling. Pero okay lang yan. Yan naman talaga ang mga bata. Si Ryan kasi, medyo matagal siyang napahinga, di ba? Early siya natapos doon sa kanyang pag-aaral sa India. Tapos dito sa Pilipinas naman, late yung new school niya na nag-start. Hindi naman late, pero para sa amin medyo late. Mahaba yung kanyang pahinga. Kaya nasanay na siya na gigising siya ng late, kakain ng late. Ngayon, adjustment period na naman niya. Okay lang yan. At least masaya ako na nasa regular school siya dito sa Pilipinas. At first, inisip namin baka ipag-online school lang siya, diba? Pero, mas maganda naman talaga ang regular school talaga. So, ayan guys. I-close ko na ang vlog. Kasi magluluto pa ako ng lunch ni Ryan. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!